In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a shortcut in Mozilla Firefox. Now, this works on Windows and Mac, and the good thing is you don't need any extensions. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your Firefox, and you want to make sure that the shortcut feature is enabled. How would you know that it's enabled? All I have to do is click the pencil icon at the bottom right corner where it says Customize. I want you to click on it. You see that the shortcut button should be turned on. I want you to click the slide button. Okay, and you have an option here if you want to see the shortcuts to the sites to save or visit. If you wanted to see it in one row, 2 rows, 3 until 4, you can do that. But for now, we're going to choose 1 row only. Now, for example, if you wanted to quickly access your favorite website, for example, I'm going to be using an example. Copy the entire link. All right. Let's say in this instance, we're going to use this website. I want you to click the 3 dots icon because you have the ability to click on edit. Okay. We're going to rename this as Answer ASAP, and you can change the URL. And what will happen is you can also use a custom image. Let's gonna do that right now and click the save button, and your favorite website will be accessed as a shortcut here in Firefox. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.